Let's talk about printing the self-serve printers on campus. Once you've got your printers installed, which we covered in a previous video, open your document and choose File, Print. And then from the print dialog box, you'll choose from a list of the printers that you installed. Most of the printers are labeled based on where they are on campus. Here we're choosing the SBBW letter printer. Review your print settings, especially page setup. Make sure that you choose the printer that you're printing to in the page setup menu so you get the appropriate options. Check over the rest of your print settings, including orientation and anything else that might be important. And then click Print. After you click Print, a print queue monitor window will open. This will track the process or the progress of your file printing, and once it's done, you're ready to go release it. Once you've sent a file to print, you need to log into your PaperCut account to actually release the file from the printer. Log in with your MCAD username and password. Once in your PaperCut account, navigate to the left-hand side to the Jobs Pending Release tab. Verify the name of the job or file and the number of pages and cost before clicking Print. Some print queues, like the SBBW letter, have multiple queues you can choose from once you're there. Click on one and it will release to the printer. Depending on how large the file it is, it may take a minute or two to print. And then you can retrieve your job from the printer. Once you've printed something, you can always log or click over into the Recent Print Jobs tab to ensure that you've been charged appropriately based on anything that you printed, and or request refunds if you need to. If you've sent your files to any of the multifunction devices on campus, like the machines on the 4th floor, the 3rd floor, or in the library, you can release them straight from the screen of the device using your MCAD ID. Tap your ID to log in, and if you've sent any jobs, they'll show up on screen. You can select them and then click Print, and then your job will print out. You can also use this method to make copies or scans. Want to print from your mobile device or tablet? Mobile printing support is embedded within PaperCut. Go to our internet page and scroll down to where you see the mobile printing link. Click on that link. It will take you to a knowledge base article that outlines the support for mobile printing. Please note that you do not want to use this process to set up printers on your laptop, only for mobile devices or tablets. Click on this link. It will take you to a web page that is embedded within our PaperCut server that has instructions for each different type of service, primarily iOS or Android. Follow the video link that is provided by PaperCut to set up mobile printing on your device. The other way you can make your own prints is with any of our Epson print stations in the Service Bureau or DPL. The process of making an inkjet print is a little bit more involved than just opening your file and clicking Print. Learn how to use the Epson printers as part of your Media 1 class, but feel free to use them at any point in time. Please make an appointment with us to learn how, or if you just need a refresher because it's been a long time. PDF versions of all of our print manuals on our intranet site. Click on Epson Print Manuals and find the printer that you want, and then you can scroll through those instructions to either preview what that process is like or walk yourself through that process at any point in time.